Track is, yes, you saw what I just saw, or at least I'm hoping you're smart enough to see what I saw. But if you're not, I'm going to tell you anyway. So, track is Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, lined up in her first 100 meters of the season in Lausanne, Switzerland, and she went on to win the event in 10.82 seconds, a new meeting record to absolutely demolish the field. Now, in second place from New Zealand was Zoe Hobbs, 11.08 seconds, and Kennedy Blackman from the United States was third, 11.11 seconds. Now, Brianna Williams was a little bit down on the field, running 11.35 seconds. Track is now, as it relates to Brianna, she got into the meet yesterday late, and she still participated in that 200 meters, and she gave a full effort, based on the type of competitive athlete she is. So, it definitely took the winds out of her sail for this 100 meters, but I'm looking for her to rebound in the next races to come. Now, back to Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce in this race. Track is, why am I so excited about it? Now, track is, this is not something that we typically see from Shelly when she's executing her race. What we usually see, track is she will blaze and leave you in that first 30 to 40, right? And then shut it down and cruise home. You know what she did this time around? She took her time out of the blocks. You didn't see a blazing start from Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. But what did she do once she hit 40? Track is, she disconnected in the most unreal way possible to take that win by a huge margin. There was no question, no debate up for what type of shape Shelly is in leading into the World Championships. Now, track is, if her speed endurance looks like that, towards the end of the race, so strong, so fit, track is farm on point. What you think are gonna happen when Shelly throw back on our bullet start? You think our bullet start gone away? It not gone away. Track is, remember, we've been telling you about our Jamaicans. They work on specific points during their races. They're always smart when they enter these races on the circuit. Now, track is, I'm not gonna lie, this is not the typical Shelly execution, but I love it. Track is, she's keeping people guessing. But in my opinion, track is, as it relates to Shelly, I know she's coming ready because, as far as I'm concerned, that bullet start has gone nowhere. And for her top end to look so good, it tells you that when she pairs the two of them together at the right time at the World Championships, heads may roll. Now, with that said, track is, as usual, sound off in the comment section below and let me know your thoughts. What did you think about this run from Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce? Is it as epic as I think it is? Sound off in the comment section, like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.